5% of the cost of owning a building results from its construction. An ASHRAE president stated that most buildings will lose up to 30% of their efficiency in the first 3 years of operation. Building energy rating and labeling programs have been developed to make energy usage visible. These programs provide an analysis of a building's energy consumption and allow comparison to similar buildings. The ability to compare buildings can contribute to a price advantage for energy efficient buildings. Building energy rating and labeling programs are generally classified either as operational ratings or as design ratings. There are numerous labeling efforts. For example, I understand that in the European Union, member states must ensure that when buildings are constructed, sold, or rented, an energy certificate is made available to the owner or by the owner to the tenant or the potential building occupants. ASHRAE, founded in 1894, is a building technology society with more than 54,000 members worldwide. The society and its members focus on building systems, energy efficiency, indoor air quality, and refrigeration and sustainability. An international team of leading building design and systems engineers developed BEQ based on years of experience in the real world settings. Features of ASHRAE's Building Energy Quotient program are: the program is voluntary. However, BEQ recommends updating every 3 years or as major changes are made to a building or its operations. The relationship with a qualified professional is a cornerstone of the BEQ program. The BEQ depth of analysis is unique. Guidance provided in the workbook enables owners to make informed decisions about investments in equipment upgrades, recommissioning, and maintenance. Owners and occupants can compare their building's energy efficiency to other similar buildings. BEQ is different from other benchmarking programs. BEQ offers more differentiation for high-performing buildings. An example is an Energy Star score is passed if it rates 75 or better. This Energy Star score of 75 would generally get a B or efficient rating from the BEQ. BEQ is clearer about energy use and opportunities for improvement. BEQ requires stated indoor environmental quality measurements. BEQ focuses on building performance. It identifies opportunities for improvement, helps owners make better decisions, allows for a holistic approach that involves the owner, and motivates continuous building improvement, and also creates a long-term win-win relationship with an assessor. The BEQ workbook serves as a good model for information to gather during a level 1 energy audit, and also provides a standardized way of presenting that information. BEQ was established in 2011. The median EUI table was updated in January of 2015 to include 49 different building types. It provides median EUI values by climate zone for all buildings not covered by Energy Star. The assessment includes an indoor environmental quality screening and records actual measurements for thermal comfort, lighting, and ventilation for indoor air quality. The As Designed rating, launched in May of 2013, covers 8 separate building types and 3 building categories: food sales, office, and retail. Additional buildings are being analyzed and refined and will be launched as they are finalized. The As Designed rating provides a building owner or tenant a clear picture of the building's as-built design energy efficiency. Here is a side-by-side comparison of the two ratings from ASHRAE. Building fabric refers to the physical characteristics of the building, or the bricks and mortar. A median building energy falls within the average range rating on the BEQ. The letter grade is based on a score from a dimensionless rating scale. The 0 point on the scale is set to 0 net energy. Median value of 100 is set to the U.S. median energy use intensity for existing buildings of that building type. The score can go below 0 for net energy producing buildings. The score exceeds 100 for inefficient or unsatisfactory buildings with high energy usage. The in-operation rating assesses the actual energy consumption. The certified building assessment professional or licensed professional engineer provides guidance to the owner for improving energy performance. The BEQ in-operation workbook identifies where and how energy is consumed. It provides suggested energy efficiency measures. The as-designed rating assesses the simulated energy use of the building compared to a baseline in the same climate zone. It uses standardized modeling parameters for the building fabric and systems that are proposed, and it may be used for new construction or existing buildings. New construction is assessed at the design stage, whereas existing structures require a site inspection to determine modeling parameters. ASHRAE's professional certification programs are developed by practitioners with experience in superior building design and operation. Certification assures employers and clients of subject mastery, and it serves as a springboard for continued professional development. Only building energy modeling assessment professionals can conduct the as-designed rating process and deliver an analysis of a building as-built conditions. The BEMP certification verifies that the professional understands the methodology of software choice, modeling energy performance, simulation results, and analysis of modeling results that can reduce energy consumption and lower utility bills. A developer or a large building owner can have one of their own qualified staff certified as a building energy assessment professional. The candidate guidebook explaining eligibility is available on the website, and I would mention it's for free. ASHRAE will be charging starting in February $500 US for analyzing the BEQ submission. The cost of professional services is separate and will be determined by the building owner and the certified professional. The estimated price that you can charge for an in-operation assessment is $2,500 to $10,000 US, depending on the size and the complexity of the building. An updated assessment can be submitted within 24 months of the original submission with no extra ASHRAE fee. This allows owners to benchmark their building and then reassess after improvements have been made to verify the energy savings. An ASHRAE Level 1 energy audit recommends action to provide minimum or no-cost energy reduction measures. The in-operation rating records actual measured indoor environmental quality information. It also assesses the benefits of systems and equipment operational performance. The Level 1 audit delivers the analysis not available in other building labeling programs. A preliminary energy analysis includes a meeting with the owner, operator, and occupants, and a walkthrough survey for familiarization with building construction, equipment, operation, and maintenance. The audit includes an energy end-use analysis to identify usage patterns of the building. It also includes identification of low-cost and no-cost operation and maintenance procedural changes and their approximate costs or savings. It also includes a summary of special problems. Another participant noted, we are also able to identify several operational issues that will provide large savings with very quick payback, and will by themselves pay for several times the cost of the evaluation. The median EUI for all building types is now available using methodologies from ASHRAE's Standard 100. The list of building types follows the CBEX building categorization. The CBEX is a commercial building energy consumption survey conducted by the U.S. Energy Information Administration. The BEQ in Operation Workbook is intended to be a resource for improving a building's energy performance and provides detailed information including the building's characteristics, the energy calculations, the IEQ screening, suggestions for energy savings, and an energy end-use breakdown, and there's water evaluation and use assessment as an option. This is the appearance of the workbooks, which may be downloaded from buildingenergyquotient.org at no cost. As these are freely available, if you are interested in using this tool, it is advisable to download and study these documents. Again, ASHRAE will be charging $500 US for analyzing the BEQ submissions. The cost of professional services is separate and will be determined by the building owner and the certified professional. The price that you charge will depend on the size and complexity of the building, as well as the amount of available documentation of the as-designed or as-built structure. As-designed procedures identify building type and physical characteristics and confirm as-built documentation. It identifies energy modeling software to comply with ASHRAE Standard 90.1 Appendix G. It develops an energy model of the building and it assesses including occupancy, plug and process loads, schedules, and set points. There are two workbooks for the BEQ as designed rating. The first contains the forms needed for the rating calculations and the submission. The second contains the standardized modeling inputs and instructions for the modeling work. Workbooks are shown on this slide. But powerful and technically sound, BEQ provides tools that are easily understood. The BEQ workbook documents the rating calculations and provides supplemental information. This slide shows the certificate for as designed and in operation ratings side by side. If only one rating is performed, the other side is blanked out, so only the pertinent information is shown. The BEQ certificate contains key building information, satisfies disclosure requirements, provides information for tenants and governments, and it could be useful for real estate transactions. Similarly, the dashboard shows the as-designed and in-operation ratings side by side. The BEQ dashboard illustrates the level of performance of the building. The plaque also shows the as-designed and in-operation ratings side by side, and the BEQ plaque is meant for public display of the ratings. In summary, the in-operation rating was launched in 2011. The applicable building types were updated to include 49 separate building types and provide median EUI values normalized by climate zone and operating hours for the building type using ASHRAE Standard 100 methodologies. The as-designed rating, launched in May of 2013, covers 8 separate building types in 3 building categories: food sales, office, and retail. Additional buildings are being analyzed and refined and will be launched as they are finished. There's lots of information on the website, including a section on frequently asked questions, links to search for certified professionals in a given area, and a full color brochure that can be downloaded to promote this program. ASHRAE is excited about BEQ. I think this is the first ASHRAE product that offers a direct commercial benefit for ASHRAE members. It is a business opportunity to sell an energy auditing process. ASHRAE is also excited about the program because it offers clear documentation for owners and building users about how to optimize energy efficiency. Thank you.